Before we start part 3 of the series, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for the unconditional support you've shown the channel in the last few weeks. We've received more likes, more comments, and more shares than we ever expected. Thank you for supporting the cause. Stay tuned, stay subscribed.
चलो ठीक है, चलो सर ठीक है.
Wreck-It Ralph and I are just leaving from Mumbai. This is really not going according to plan. It's raining like crazy here. And it hasn't stopped like for the last 1 hour. And this is pretty much the standard weather we've been riding in for the last 1 hour. Riding through a bit of fog now. I don't know if you can see that through the headlight, but there's a bit of fog ahead of us. This place is beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful.
माझं नाव विजय पाटील.
मेरा नाम प्रसाद कांतीलाल कोटपल्ली है.
माझं नाव बापू अडप.
उनको भगवान करे जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक करे और आस्था खेळता करे.
पोलीस दलातर्फे मी ईश्वराला वंदन करतो आणि सांगतो त्यांना की त्या मित्राला लवकरात लवकर चांगलं करावं.
तो उसके मैं ऊपर वाले से दुआ करता हूँ कि वो जल्द से जल्द ठीक हो जाए और उनको हर तरीके से उनके इलाज को मदद मिले.
मी देवापासून त्यासाठी प्रार्थना करू की तुम्ही लवकर चांगले व्हावं.
Our ride to Nagpur took much longer than we expected. The overall time taken to reach our destination was close to 21 hours. Bad road conditions between Amravati and Dhule and oncoming traffic that was using high beams throughout the journey made it difficult for us to go any faster than we were going. When we reached the hotel, we were greeted by the hotel staff. On hearing the reason for our visit to Nagpur, just like some of the travelers we met along the way, here's a message the guard of this hotel decided to leave.
मेरा नाम विलास गोपीचंद रामटेक है. मैं भंडारा से रहता हूँ और मैं 7 सूट सर्विस अपार्टमेंट अभयंकर नगर में काम करता हूँ. और 12 बजे मैं भगवान से यही आपको प्रार्थना करता हूँ, लंबी उम्र दो और हम उनके साथ में रहें.
This is the hotel we're staying at currently. It's called 7 Suites and Serviced Apartments. And it's now 10 o'clock in the morning and we're waiting for to respond. I think he has just responded. Ralph told me that he's going out right now. Should be back somewhere in the afternoon or evening, and that's when we are planning on meeting him. We're going to probably head there at about 11ish because Ralph forgot to pack his slippers and we need to get him a new pair, if you catch my drift. Okay, see you later. When we woke up for breakfast, again we were greeted by friendly staff in the hotel's restaurant. And after having a conversation with the chef and a waiter, here's the messages they left for our subscriber.
मेरा नाम तारिन खंडागट और मैं नागपुर में जॉब कर रहा हूँ. तो आज का दिन है रविवार और अभी 11 साढ़े 11 बज रहे हैं. मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना कर रहा हूँ भाई कि रक्षा करे।
मेरा नाम धर्मेंद्र पटले है और मैं भगवान से ही प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि भाई की तबीयत जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक हो जाए।
Okay, good morning, or good afternoon rather. It's 12:18 now. We are in Nagpur. We're looking for a shoe store because Ralph forgot to pack a pair of shoes or slippers. And I think we found the shoe store. We can check both of them, yeah. Yeah. Just the basics. Yeah, so we just need Cyber Cafe mainly just to transfer our files from the GoPro and the Osmo onto a hard drive which I've carried. I don't know how you other guys motovlog and store your data. Share that in the comments if there's something better than that. But what I do is I carry my hard drive and transfer data via OTG normally, but my OTG cable doesn't seem to be working properly and transferring enough power onto the hard drive. So this is the other alternative.
When we were out asking for directions to a cyber cafe, I met another local who was inquisitive about what we were doing in Nagpur. When I shared our story with him, here's the message he left for our subscriber.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद रिजवान है। मैं आपके लिए दुआ कर सकता हूँ कि आप ठीक हो जाओ, क्योंकि आप भी एकदम फिट रहो और एकदम आप अपने आप को कमज़ोर मत समझो, क्योंकि जहाँ डॉक्टर की सोच ख़त्म हो जाती है वहाँ से उस गॉड की सोच शुरू हो जाती है। तो आप उससे भी दुआ करो, जहाँ अगर दवा से काम ना हो तो दुआ से काम हो सकता है। बस बेस्ट ऑफ लक, और इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
Okay, so has finally got in touch with us. He was out earlier in the day when we tried reaching him. Ralph's just calling him and trying to coordinate lunch plans, and we're planning on surprising him there. Let's hope he hasn't picked up on the clues which I've already posted, because some people have already guessed that I'm in Nagpur. Alright, let's hope this works out.
I spoke to him and he's going to search a place and let us know in around 2 minutes. He'll message us the place and we'll find it.
Big shout out to Ralph, by the way. He's been my translator sort of the entire time. I don't think I would have been able to successfully do this ride and have the experiences I've had during the trip if it wasn't for him. Go ahead and follow him as well if you haven't already. I think he's one of the most sensible riders and better human beings that I've met. Okay, so we were just at this place called Web Station, and we came here to transfer our files from the GoPros and the Osmo over to our hard drive. Ralph has managed to get in touch with and we will be meeting him at KFC. There's apparently only one KFC in Nagpur. We'll be meeting him there, and we planned how to go about surprising him, but hopefully our acting and the whole setup goes according to plan. No shortage of squids. Okay, so it's all set up now. Ralph has got in touch with and he's waiting for us now at KFC. He's already there, and I'm not really sure what the parking scene is like over there. I just hope we can enter without being spotted by him first. The plan is for Ralph to call him up and arrange for them to meet, probably inside KFC, I'm not sure where. And post that, after giving him the stickers and t-shirt that I got made for him, I'll be entering and surprising him. We also planned a phone call as well, so he's going to be given the phone and asked to speak with me. I'm going to give him some bogus story that I'm in Lavasa or someplace. And after that, I'm going to walk in. Now that's the plan at least. Let's hope the plan stays like it is.
Where is it? Where is it?
You see KFC over there? The sign's up there.
Oh yeah, I see.
Huh? I'll wait here, you go ahead.
हाँ ठीक है. Are you running? Okay. कितना?
Okay, so we figured out where KFC is now. Ralph's heading there. I'm waiting at the signal. You know how I like signals, especially ones with a free left, apparently. Is supposedly already there. And I hope he hasn't figured things out. By the way, the last time Ralph acted, he said, was in school. And it's been a while since he's been in school. He's not that old, but it's been a while.
Hello. Arey, I'm walking up here. Just having some trouble with the. It's in KFC. You're inside KFC, right? I'm there. Hey, hi, how are you? Yeah, thanks. What's up? What's this food, you know? What's your first to record this, if that's okay with you? Yeah, sure. Yeah. So what brings you to Nagpur? Sorry, I have a friend over here near CA Road. So I met him because he wanted me to come down and just I have to take some stuff to Mumbai. And I thought it would be a good ride also. My goodness, what a ride it has been. Wait, I'll just call Augie right now. He's in Lavasa right now. Yeah, so he was calling me also. And then I was like, I had my plans to come to Nagpur. So that's when he told me.
Okay, he's calling now.
Hello, Augie?
Hello?
Hello, Augie.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
You're
I can.
riding right now?
No, tell me.
You're on your way to Lavasa or you already reached there?
I've reached there earlier today itself, but I'm just now recording whatever videos I wanted to record.
Yeah, there's someone who wants to speak to you.
Okay.
Yeah, one sec.
Huh.
Hey man, what's up?
Hi.
How are you, man?
Good man, how are you?
I'm good. How's the ride going on?
So far so good, man. I don't know if you've been to Lavasa before, but the roads are pretty awesome.
Yeah, Lavasa's pretty awesome.
Yeah. How's your day going so far? I know Ralph told me that you were out earlier in the day doing some work.
Yeah, I had to go to the dock actually. I had to see to a few things, and then after that there's some pesticide work going on in my house, so that smell would have irritated him and all that.
Okay, cool. Alright, so he's new. I think this is his first time coming to Nagpur. If you have time in the day, if you can just show him around. Or I think you're having lunch together, no?
That's what we're going to do after this.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. I wish I could be there, man. I would love to come in and meet you sometime, but unfortunately I've got plans going on with all other places as well. I'll try and make a trip to Nagpur once, though, to meet you if possible.
Try if you can. You would. I think you'll like the trip. It will be a new experience for you also.
Yeah, I know.
You can make some new, there's videos you used to make, those traffic videos.
Yeah.
You'll love that out here.
That bad, our drivers are around there. Okay.
Yeah, anyways, I'll put you back to your side.
Cool, yeah. Chal, take care.
Yeah. Okay, man, you too. Yeah.
Bye.
Hello?
Yeah, Ralph. Signals.
Continue your journey.
Yeah, chal.
Alright?
Okay, yeah, chal. See you, bye.
Take care.
And we're done. दोस्त अगर यहाँ पे पार्किंग करना है तो कैसे जाना पड़ेगा? ओके, नागपुर हिट्स मी। अगर पार्किंग करना है यहाँ पे तो कैसे जाना पड़ेगा? अगर पार्किंग करना है, बाइक को पार्क करना है, अच्छा पीछे से, ओके ठीक है।
I forget. So unfortunately they've been folded a bit. But these are some stickers that he sent you. Okay. Not only that,
always wondered how these must be looking in real life.
not only that, he's got you a t-shirt as well. So an OBF t-shirt for you. And it's a bit of, I mean again, it's a long ride, so there's a bit of dirt and all.
No, it's okay.
But once you wash it,
just gonna like keep this. I'm not gonna wear it because it means a lot to me.
No,
Actually, I got one or two things for him also
Really?
and for you because I've seen he doesn't want to reveal his face and he wears that bulky mask.
oh my goodness.
This would be good for him. Oh, great. And you know, I would like you to choose from one of these three.
My goodness. Was it a difficult choice, I know.
I used to collect all these different type of
Okay,
things.
so I got to choose one. No?
Yes.
I'll pick the hammer.
Love that one.
I love it.
Thank
Thank you, thank you.
I think should he choose for hockey or I think this would be good for him.
So this you're giving for him, this and this.
Yeah, both the
Oh,
thoughts.
both the masks. So you have the upper half and the lower half.
Okay, fortunately I found Ralph's bike, parked it just directly next to it, and I'm heading into KFC now.
Hi.